Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can integrate Smartsheet with Jira. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.smartsheet.com and log in to your Smartsheet account. Make sure that you're logged into your account that you would use to integrate with Jira. Then, open a new tab and go to make.com/en and log into an account that you've made, and if you don't have still, make a new one. From the main dashboard, we're going to go to the top right and click on Create Scenario. So the first thing that we need to do is to click on this icon right here, and then on the search bar, let's search Smartsheet. After that, we're going to select a trigger or an action. And then we will connect it to our Smartsheet account. Choose a folder ID, a destination, and a name. See the other options and then click on Save. After that, we're going to add a new module right here. And then we're going to search for Jira. Click on that. And then we would click one of the options right here. After that, we're going to create a connection and we're simply going to connect this with our Jira account. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!